In today's video, we're going to show you how to get Zoom Chat in LearnWorlds. If you've been trying to combine the power of Zoom's chat functionality with LearnWorlds for your online courses or meetings, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, because I'll be showing you some easy steps and a few alternatives that may just work even better than a solution you're searching for. Let's jump right into it. First thing you need to know is that LearnWorlds doesn't natively integrate Zoom Chat into their platform. This means you can't just click a button and have Zoom's chat pop up in your LearnWorlds courses. But don't worry, there's still a way to get it done. The next thing to do is to set up a Zoom meeting or webinar in your Zoom account. Make sure you have a Zoom Pro or business account for full features, because the free version won't give you the flexibility you need for webinars or large meetings. Once your Zoom meeting is set up, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, to bring Zoom's chat into LearnWorlds, you'll use an integration tool like Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge between LearnWorlds and Zoom, and while it's not perfect for this specific task, it can automate some parts of the process. You'll need to connect your LearnWorlds account to Zapier and create a Zap that links Zoom and LearnWorlds. This brings us to the fourth thing. Once Zapier is set up, you can send notifications, updates, or even chat transcripts to your LearnWorlds platform. It's not a perfect solution for live chat directly in LearnWorlds, but it does allow you to gather information from your Zoom meetings and use it in your courses. Next, let's talk about how to display chat. While you can't integrate the chat directly, you can add Zoom's meeting link to your LearnWorlds page and direct your students to your Zoom meeting. They'll still be able to use the Zoom chat functionality, but it's separate from the LearnWorlds interface. So, let's quickly recap. To get Zoom chat in LearnWorlds, you need to 1. Set up a Zoom meeting with a pro or business account. 2. Use a tool like Zapier to integrate Zoom with LearnWorlds. 3. Add the Zoom meeting link to your LearnWorlds course or page. 4. Use chat within Zoom itself and manage it separately from LearnWorlds. Now, before we wrap up, let me tell you that there are some alternatives that might be better for what you're trying to achieve. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific offer much smoother integrations with Zoom, allowing you to run live sessions with chat, and they offer a much more seamless experience. These platforms have built-in tools for both Zoom and chat, making it easier to focus on delivering content rather than setting up integrations. And here's the exciting part. We've got an exclusive offer for you. If you use the link below, you'll get the best free trial available for LearnWorlds, but we've also included amazing alternatives with free trials too. These alternatives may offer a more integrated experience and better features for your needs. So, don't forget to check out the link below to claim your exclusive free trial and start building your courses with the best tools available. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.